sounded so sweet. Had to take me chance. I rose out of the seat and I had to dance. Started moving my feet and I'm clapping my hands. Now I'm getting on rocking, going round and round. Yeah, I'm feeling and rocking, what a crazy town. When the bell stopped rocking, till the moon went down. About 12 o'clock, well, the place was packed. The front doors were locked. I said the place is packed. But when the police knocked, those doors flew back. Rockin' on rockin', going round and round. Yeah, reelin' and rockin', what a crazy sound. Well, they never stopped rockin', till the moon went down. About 12 o'clock, top down. Well, the doors were locked. Said the place is packed. When the police knocked, those doors flew back. Rockin' on rockin', going round and round. Oh, reelin' and rockin', what a crazy sound. Well, they never stopped rockin', till the moon went down. Yeah, they kept on rockin', going round and round. Yeah, reelin' and rockin', what a crazy sound. Well, they never stopped rockin', till the moon went down.
David Bowie, the classic David Bowie of Ziggy Stardust, Aladdin Sane, Diamond Dogs, Young Americans, and Station to Station, will finally be back in North American record racks this fall when RYKODISC launches an unprecedented 2-year re-release of Bowie's greatest work, kicking off with a deluxe multi-album box set retrospective called Sound and Vision. Scheduled to arrive in retail stores in the first week of September, Sound and Vision is a comprehensive overview of the many celebrated phases of Bowie's phenomenal career, including hits, rarities, and never-before-released material from 1967 through 1980. Among the more than 45 tracks in this introductory set are such classic singles as Changes, Young Americans, and of course Sound and Vision itself, as well as essential album tracks from Bowie's groundbreaking LPs. In addition, there will be a goldmine of rarities, including the single versions of Rebel Rebel and The Prettiest Star, and such unreleased gems as the original 1967 demo tape of Space Oddity and a 1976 cover version of Bruce Springsteen's It's Hard to Be a Saint in the City, and much, much more. Sound and Vision will be available in all 3 configurations, as a box set of 3 compact discs, 3 cassettes, or 6 vinyl records. Meticulously assembled by RYKODISC, an industry leader in top-quality packaging and programming innovations, this initial Bowie set will feature the highest tech materials, a permanent outer shell, and state-of-the-art image design unlike anything else yet attempted in this field. The package also contains a 72-page book, including rare photographs from throughout Bowie's career and extensive liner notes by me, Kurt Loder. In both its contents and its packaging, Sound and Vision reflects David Bowie's reputation as one of the most innovative and influential artists of our time, both musically and visually. And the compact disc version of this set includes an extra CD-V disc containing the extraordinary 1980 video clip for the song Ashes to Ashes, as well as previously unreleased audio tracks recorded on the legendary 1972 Ziggy Stardust tour. These tracks can be played on any compact disc player, regardless of video capability. RYKODISC's extensive marketing plan for Sound and Vision will be just as unique as the set's packaging. In addition to releasing a single and video from Sound and Vision, the label will also be setting up a consumer information hotline on the entire Bowie catalog re-release program. And of course, Sound and Vision is just the beginning of RYKODISC's David Bowie project, which over the next 2 years will see the re-release of every original Bowie album from Space Oddity to Scary Monsters, including such epical albums as Ziggy Stardust and Changes One Bowie, which were named in a recent Billboard magazine cover story as the two most requested of all titles not currently available on compact disc. These deluxe re-releases will be available in all three configurations and will include added rare tracks where available, as well as extra artwork, vintage photos, and added notes. The sound and vision of David Bowie, sounding and looking better than ever before.